Guys, I finished grater my onion, sweet pepper and garlic on mashed pork shoulder. Hey guys, welcome back to Self-Care Official. Today we're going to prepare pork shoulder, guys. Yes, delicious pork shoulder. There it is. Yes. So I'm gonna prepare this pork shoulder here and show you guys how I do it, how I prepare it. So you guys gonna see the preparation. Then I'm gonna prepare sweet potato here, green banana there. So to go with it. So stay tuned guys while I go and prepare this pork shoulder here, right, by cleaning it up and put it in some vinegar water for 5 minutes. Stay tuned guys. The pork shoulder guys in the pan there. Yes, gonna get some water on it. That's right. Then I'm gonna pour some vinegar. Here is the vinegar guys. Yes. So I'm gonna let it stay for about 5 minutes. Then I wash it off and get back to you. So here it is guys, my pork shoulder all done wash and slice up in pieces. In pieces there. Yes. So I'm gonna pot roast it guys. Yes, I'm gonna pot roast the pork shoulder here. This is Maggi that I'm gonna add to it. Yes. So Maggi all purpose. That's it. Yeah. Here I have the salt. Yes. And there I have some black pepper. There is my onion, sweet pepper, garlic. Yes. And my grater that I'm going to grate the seasoning on the pork shoulder here. Made no sense I blend these. These are small amounts, so just gonna grate her, right? Stay tuned guys. So guys, I finished grater my onion, sweet pepper and garlic on mashed pork shoulder. So I did half of the onion, right? I did half of the onion and I left back half, right? So now I'm just gonna mix it in, all the seasoning in guys, and then I'm gonna pot roast guys, right? Pot roast my pork shoulder here. Delicious. So this is what it looks like. Yes, all blended in. Yes, delicious. Yes, pork shoulder it is for dinner guys. Look at it. Here it is guys, our pork chop here and the pot here with the oil already hot. So we're gonna place our pork in the oil here in the pot. Take your time, slow, okay. So we're gonna take our time with our pork chop there, slow. until it roasts, right? I'll get back to you when it actually finished. Yes, I'll get back to you when it actually finished. Yeah, our pork shoulder. Yes, that's our pork shoulder dear. I keep saying pork chop, but it's pork shoulder, guys. Yeah. So I'm gonna close it right there. And the flame is low. Over here we have the water for the banana and the potato. Candy yam it is, guys. Yes, the water over here for the banana and the candy yam, guys. So here it is, guys. My pork shoulder in the pot roasting. Yes, oftentimes I will add a little water to it. Yes, and then I will close up the pot. Over here, guys, is the banana and the candy yam, otherwise sweet potato, cooking as well. For the pork shoulder here, guys, I don't put any soy sauce or any browning. This is the color I want, the natural color. So I will come back to you guys with the finishing product. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Please remember, guys, to like the video, share the video, subscribe. Yes, guys, if you have not subscribed as yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and kindly leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this meal here. Pork shoulder, candy yam, and green banana. Thank you, guys. We'll be back. Here it is, guys, the finished product. Here it is, guys, the finished product of my shoulder, pork shoulder, hot roast, guys. That's the finished product of my shoulder pork shoulder, I should say. The finished product, guys, delicious. Delicious, guys, look at it. Yum, 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 yum. Here it is, guys, the finished product of my shoulder pork, beans and carrot with banana, candy yam, or you could say sweet potato. Look at it, guys. Delicious. Yum, 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 guys. Come and get your share, guys. Yummy delicious. Enjoy!